Yes, I think once again we congratulate all involved. Alhaji Aliko Dangote of Dangote Refinery and Petrochemical Company, NNPC, led by the group CEO, Mr. Mele Kyari, and even all on the side of the federal government of Nigeria, the Ministry of Finance, the chairman of FIRS. We congratulate everybody for having brought us this far. And I think what Nigerians can look forward to is energy security, energy sufficiency. And as we look forward, we can also look at the issue of cost. What we're expecting that as this refinery and even others, as they ramp up production, ramp up scale, and achieve greater economies of scale, there should be the opportunity, and there is definitely the potential to reduce their costs, which should pass on to the consumer. So we have to give them a chance. They have just started. They have done very, very well. It's a triumph, Alhaji Aliko Dangote. It's a triumph for Mr. President over and above anything else. But it's also a very good day for Nigerians, and we look forward with optimism. Thank you.